Everything in the world must obey the laws of physics except bumblebees. These rotund creatures with their minuscule wings seem to defy the laws as we know them. You might wonder, how can such a small wing lift such a large body? It's all down to their unique flight mechanics. A bumblebee doesn't flap its wings up and down like most insects. Instead, they can rotate their wings in a circular motion up to 200 times per second. This is similar to how helicopters take off. This rotary motion gives rise to a vortex along the edge of the wings, creating a low-pressure zone above their bodies. This low pressure pulls them upwards, allowing them to hover and zip around with surprising agility. Truly, bumblebees are the master defiers of physics.